Good morning. Welcome back. Gino Perez Adventures. I'm Gino. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button, notification bell. You get a lot more of these. Today we're at the Waterfall of Juan, Curuit in San Gil, Santander. So with no further ado, I will let you in on one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the neighborhood. Beautiful day. Rained last night. The waterfalls are huge. Zoom in on them a little bit. And there's another waterfall over here to the left, but you can't see it. You kind of see some of the fog coming off of it. So there you go. It's one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the neighborhood. Enjoy. Say good morning, Maria. So we're about 20 minutes from Valley de San José, and this is an eco park. Actually have quite a few things to do in here. Mostly take your money, but there's a lot of beauty here. So, that being said, have a good day. This is Gino from Gino Perez Adventures signing off. See you on the flip side.